Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a vegetable. It supports digestion, helps maintain healthy blood pressure, and provides antioxidants that contribute to overall wellness. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as celery, 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 celery. An interesting fact about celery is that it was even used in ancient Egyptian medicine. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about celery, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.